Hey guys, welcome to the review of KregJig's K4 and KregJig's K5 system. These are their two non-powered pocket hole joinery systems, and today we're going to walk through them. We'll show you some features of each and let you decide which one's right for you. We're going to start with the K4 system. As you can tell, we already have a piece of 3/4 inch alder already clamped in to kind of show you how it works. So if we release the pressure, take the wood out. It works, yeah. So once we put the wood in, the way we do it is if this needs adjustment, it's still loose, still moves. Move this back, adjust it. Until you're comfortable with the tightness of it. That's good. Now we lock the lock nut in. Here you can see the drill bit. This is 3/4. We already have the drill bit set. This is 3/4 without the pilot. Now we just need to set our height. This is also based off the thickness of the material. So you loosen this brass screw. We'll thread this screw back in. On the back side of this system, you can see the screw holes. This brass screw slides into there, holds it into place. Real quick, we'll show you. You got A, B, or C. Line your marks up on your wood where you want the hole. This is the center point. If we line it up, clamp it in, line our marks up, now we're ready to drill. Put this through to ensure it doesn't hit the bottom. This is a good guide to know that you have the stop lock set up where it needs to be. As you can tell, there's a hole right here. We did not do that the first time. Learn from our mistakes. And the vice grips. This is one of the big differences between the K4 and the K5 as well. We'll show you the difference. This is your standard style. Screw in, clamp down. They come right here. They will thread in and lock this to any workbench, any table. As we look at the K4, we know that it's a little more labor intensive to set up. We had the threaded, we had the lock nut. We have this threaded. We have the manual dust port that does not swivel. We have the setup here for the drill stops. It's up to you to kind of guess where it needs to be. We ended up with this hole because we did not get that the first time. All in all, K4 system does the job. All right guys, let's run through the K5 system. First thing you notice is it has wings. The K4 system does not. You can build them in if you want. This one actually comes with it. On top of the wings, they actually are trays for storage, which the K4 lacks. So this is good to keep up with everything that comes with the system. As you can tell, we mounted ours to a board. The footprint of these are about 23 by 11. We took a 1x12, trimmed it up to fit, mounted everything to it. Now we can throw a French cleat on the back of it, hanging on the wall to keep up with it. So as we step around the system, the clamping system itself is easier. So you can tell this black slides in. The handle locks it down. Everything's on one side on the K5. On the K4, it is not. Push this gray button, slide everything back. It's also lower in, slide, leave this down, slide it up, hold it tight, and listen for 2 clicks. 1, 2. Now you're ready to lock it down. Now your wood's secure. It's that easy to adjust. Move your wood. We can look here at the pin. The other one we had a brass screw. We had to unscrew, screw back in. This one is a quick slide down. You can hear it lock. Slide it up. You hear it lock. Just that simple. Also with the K5, it comes with this little doodad. This is how you set your drill stop for your drill bit. Slide this back. Set this here. You have your drill bit. You have your drill stop. Quick, easy Allen set that comes with the system. Drop this in. As we can tell, it sets right there. If we go here, we have a huge gap up top. So we know that's not the right one. If we go to the bottom, it's way too short. Now, take that out, take this out, and it corresponds with the numbers on the side, the adjustments that we have here. these numbers here. The last accessory we want to show you is the drill stop. Slides right in here. Quick easy slide in. Allows the material to come in, clamp it down, and you get repeated drills at the same location. This is a quick easy pop out. It is all plastic, but it does the job. The wings are huge. When you look at this, the ability for speed increases because of the design. Everything's on one side, you're not reaching over the material. So for us here at Carolina Mist, we're huge fans of the K5. The K4 is a great system. The K5 just fits our needs a little better.